I am going to go through uh, different case law that I have from a rather large booklet, and in each of these there are uh, words under what's called core terms. And so I'm just going to flip through several pages, and I'm just going to read the core terms. There could be anything and everything. So let's see how you do. Ready? Begin. Injunction, lawsuit, adequate remedy, temporary, final hearing, equitable, district court, expenditure, probable, expend, expended, right to recover, landowners, fiduciary, beneficiary, immaterial, usage, contract documents, evidentiary hearing, status quo, injunctive relief, bona fide, restrained, continuous, authorize, conclusions of law, irreparable harm, independent grounds, entrusted, issuance, summary judgment, consulting, farm, no evidence, deposition, manure, nuisance, expert witness, non-movement, tortious interference, sanctions imposed, ipsa res, issue of material fact, nuisance per se, discovery process, continuing trespass, designated, voluminous, contacted, discovery, genuine, movement, discovery rules, contractual relationship, affirmative defenses, contamination, preparation, offensive, trespass, redemption, summary judgment, fraudulent, shareholder, matter of law, misrepresentation, disclaimer, inducement, fiduciary relationship, omission, stock, fiduciary relationship existed, investor, oil, drilling, closely held, informal, horizontal, fiduciary duties, non-disclosure, speculative, buyer, fiduciary duty, conclusively, negate, seller, fraud claims, justifiable, notice, sub-issue, partner, partnership, expulsion, expelled, reporting, law firm, ethical, expel, good faith, unethical conduct, overbilling, partnership agreement, bad faith, expelling, managing partner, profession, misconduct, suspected, self-gain, reputation, tentative, breached, monthly, law professors, law partners, practice of law, attorney's fees, dealer, dealership, exclusive jurisdiction, manufacturer, motor vehicle, tortious interference, real property, primary jurisdiction, legal remedy, declaratory judgment, administrative remedies, common law, exhaust, sell agreements, current versions retroactively, unreasonably, probate, abate, vested right, confer, causes of action, contract to purchase, statutory violation, former version, injunctive relief, declaration, redemption, preferred shares, stock, redeemed, drawing, oppression, directed verdict, dividend, fiduciary duty, inspection, cross issue, extract, matter of law, audit, civil conspiracy, redeem, overrule, evidence to support, rigged, void, rid, record reflects, fraud claim, confidential relationship, summary judgment, immunity, emotional distress, defamation, infliction, conspiracy, good faith, affirmative defense, reasonable person, general rule, conspiracy claim, outrageous conduct, malice, public officials, personal purpose, discretionary, outrageous, conspired, conspire, confrontational, supervisor, sovereign, co-worker, domestic, annual, employment contract, dividends, liquidation, appointment, partition, minority shareholder, partnership assets, fiduciary duty, profit sharing plan, mandatory injunction, formation, aggrieved, receiver, acquisition, appropriate remedy, individually, suppression, compete, non-competition agreement, covenant, injunction, enforceable, temporary, promisee, promisor, fundamental policy, customer, antitrust laws, restraint of trade, unenforceable, restraining order, malicious prosecution, Sherman Act, choice of law, rule of reason, causes of action, enforceability, confidential, materially, business goodwill, particular issue, ancillary, goodwill, preponderance, sharing, delivery, deliver, repair, conclusively, undisputed evidence, ostensible, purchaser, selling, question of fact, insufficiency, complaining, ample, entitled to recover, reasonable market value, specific instruction, certificate, undisputed, purchasing, borrowed, pledged, standing to sue, subject matter jurisdiction, causes of action, stock, partner, jurisdictional, entity, stock purchase agreement, lawsuit, fraudulent, oppression, general partner, affirmatively, seller, automatic stay, inducement, jurisdiction to hear, stock interest, derivative, verified, misnomer, capacity to sue, controlling interest, real estate, wrongful termination, board of directors, duty to disclose, board meetings, attorney's fees, notice, partnership agreement, declaratory judgment, articles of incorporation, by law, fiduciary relationships, constructive trust, number of directors, confidential relationship, ownership, conspiracy, clinic, partner, joint venture, reputation, contributed, formation, fiduciary duty, gross revenue, revised, pain, legally sufficient, ownership, legally insufficient, indicative, goodwill, jury verdict, jury charge, evidence to support, right to receive, right to control, profit sharing, surrounding circumstances, conclusive evidence, co-ownership, election, status quo, prior restraints, candidate, soliciting, accepting, political action committee, unconnected, expending, statewide, issuance, writ of mandamus, water treatment, petitioned, treasurer, preserved, publicly, notice, film, moot, injunctive relief, verified pleadings, injunction prohibiting, present case, pure curiam, likelihood of success, bonuses, dividend, disguised dividends, bonus, termination, employee, spiff, SPIFF, ownership, book value, affiliate, earnings, entity, elect, election, minority shareholder, equitable remedies, equitable relief, terminated, receiver, at-will employee, family members, double taxation, proportionate, retaliation, motivating, terminated, impermissible, rehire, supervisor, box, county clerk, forfeiture, constable, backlog, protected activity, discriminatory, rehired, employment practice, lawsuit, deputy, grievance committee, prima facie case, requested instruction, reversible, answered, disability, religion, non-resident, personal jurisdiction, minimum contacts, rent, special appearances, restaurant, partnership agreement, writ denied, great weight, preponderance, purposefully, manifestly, unjust, divorce decree, lease, cause of action, tax returns, matter of law, sufficient to satisfy, exercise of jurisdiction, place of business, standard of review, alter ego, undertook, misconduct, mismanagement, jeopardy, unemployment compensation, trial de novo, legal standard, evidence to support, substantial evidence, discharged, inaction, unemployment benefits, satisfaction, customer, travel, liquidation, stock, stockholder, decree, receivership, minority stockholders, settlement, mismanagement, solvent, misconduct, injunction, inventory, malicious, receiver, surplus, ratio, dissolution, declare, evidently, net sales, incorporation, wrongfully, smaller, capital stock, suppression, exemplary, state of mind, devaluation. I think that pretty much gives you many words to practice on. I hope that that helped, and I think I will be signing off on that one. That's about 16 minutes worth of words, and hope you enjoy. Thanks.